Today, I'd like to show you best 6 freelance writing sites that pay daily to make $100 online fast. Yes, this video is all about you that who want to write, who want to take writing as a profession, and you can make really good money with easy writing. Just writing is just simple. You just need to sit down, think about something, and make it some words, and to make it turn it into some text and words, and that's it. You are a writer, right? So you just getting more experience when you get more jobs, more writing jobs you do, more experience you will get. So this is the way you can make $100 online really fast. I'm going to show you 6 best websites that you can start with right now, and I'm going to also show you 4 bonus website where you will get more and more jobs that is always never ending. So without wasting any of your time, I'm going to show you the first website that is called Listverse.com. Yes, Listverse.com is a really good ranking site. They post articles about top 10 things around the world. So top 10 lists. So this is the listing site. If you have an idea about top 10 ranking about anything that is really interesting, then you can just go for and write for them. So if I just go over to their right to get paid sections, you can see that they have stated how they can give you money for your writing. So you can see that they will love to pay you $100 for your efforts about anything. You just give him them their about the pitch idea, about the articles, or about the top 10 list. You just simply write it down and send it to them, and that's it. If you get selected, you will get $100 for that. So this is a really cool way to start writing about something that is really popular. But there are some cats that need to be unique. You cannot copy from someone else, and you cannot copy any ideas from someone else. So you just need to make something up. You just learn something, you just research on the internet, and you will get some ideas about top 10 list that you can send it to Listverse and make money. This is the first website that going to pay you for your writing. So the second website that I want to show is called contently.com. Contently.com is a really good site to send and write and earn money with them. So this is a really good way. You can just browse through the sites and you learn many things about it, how to perform the writing, and you can just to sign up there. And if you just click on to join the network, you can see that Contently gives freelance creatives the opportunity to work with the top brands on high quality projects that pays well. So this is a professional site. It's constantly going to like a bridge for professional companies and you to get connected and writing for them. So this is a professional site. They need professional writing, and when you get, as you have to go through some requirement, you have to go through some qualification test as well. If you just get selected by your writings, by your profile, you have to create an account. When you decided to join there, just simply fill this form out and sign up and confirm and complete your profile with a professional article writing look. So that's the way business going to see you, how professional you are to make money by writing, and they will want to give you money for that. So this is the second website. So the third website that you already know, which is called Upwork.com, is also a freelancing site that you can just work with. You can search for like article writing there. You can see that there are lots of gigs out there that are people just writing for blogs, posts, and articles about anything, and they are making a good amount of money. So you can just start with that as well. So this is the third way to get article writing jobs done. And the fourth site that I recommend, also a good site, is fiverr.com. You just go there and search for like article writing articles and blog posts, and you can see that people are writing many articles and blog posts for various websites and blogs, and they are making money. So are some ideas. If you just go there and you just work with the client's requirement, and your clients will provide you some topics, then ideas, you just go over and research on the internet, and you can write articles that you own, that you uniquely written it. You just cannot copy anything and make money in this business. So this is the fourth site that you can go and write money. The fifth website that is called is barefootwriter.com. So the site is the barefootwriter.com is the website address. You just go there, and this site is also a really good platform to make connected to companies and writers for taking writing as a career. So they also provide value to the writer if you can write for themselves as well. So if I just go over to their writing submission guideline, and you can see that there are explained a details way how you can write for them. You can just join the Barefoot Writers Club and you can write for them, and you can see that what type of writing they are accepting right now. And this is the concept of, they explained it already, how many words you have to write and what topics you have to write. And if you get selected or if you get published by them, they will send you like $100 to $300 to them per article. So this is a really good way to start with them, and there are some rules and guidelines that you can just follow and send those articles to the editor, and you will good to go to make money. So the last but not least, the number six positions, the site is cracked.com, is a very good site to write articles and get paid for that. So if I just go over to their blog post about come write for Cracked, and everybody it pays money. So if you just go over to these blog post articles, you can see that they have a detailed explanations about how they are going to pay you, how you can write for them, and they are also willing to pay you between $100 to $250 per article if you get selected, if your articles get published in this website. So this is there are some guidelines. You just go there and do your works, do your research, and you can upload your articles to them. You can send them and you can make money if you get published. So if you make some research, if you just go there and make some research without any copy paste, just write your own basic writing with your English skills, that is enough for you to make money. And no matter what, when you get it done daily, not all articles will get accepted, but if some of them will. And when you get more experience, you will understand what articles are going to get accepted and what's not, and then the boom is on. You can make more money on that. So I'm going to show you 4 bonus sites. These are the 6 websites that you can use to start writing as a career, get and paid for that, and make $100 really fast. And for more jobs you want, then I provide you bonus art sites that is going to be like probloggers.com is a really good job database. You just go over to problogger.com/jobs. You can find more and more writing jobs like that. You can just go there and apply it as a freelance writer, and you can make money by many of them. And the second bonus website is called Blogging Pro, and this is also a really good job database. You just go over to their bloggingpro.com/jobs. You can see that they also have time to time released some writing jobs there, and you can just participate them and you can make money with them. The third bonus website is freelancewriting.com, is a really professional and very old. This is a established site since 1997. You just go over there and then search for their listings, search all the list freelancing writing job listing, and you can apply those jobs and make money with that. And last but not least, the number 4 is textbroker.co.uk. This is a really article selling site. Also they provide there are some companies that want articles and peoples as well, they want professional written articles, they want to hire you, and you can just apply it and write some content there and upload it and send it, and you text broker going to manage those link as a bridge, and they get money from the customers, and they get money from the companies, and they put a commissions, they cut the commissions, and then the rest of the amount is going to be paid to you as a writer. And this is it, this is the concept. You just go there and write it out. So simply these are the all sites, all the 6 sites and the 4 bonus sites. With those 10 sites you can definitely work with and make $100 really fast with by easy to work. You know English, you can write it out, and when you go to this business you will get more experience, and when you get more experience you will get more money. That's the easy way to make money online. So simply this is the video. If you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. And stay with Money Horn, and you will get more earning opportunities like this to make $1,000 every month without any problem. So stay with my channel, stay with my videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.